this question can be pretty challenging. So x itself is an integer. That's probably important to write down. X equals an integer, and it has 3 positive divisors. That means that x itself, in order to have only 3 factors, including itself and 1, that basically x equals some prime number squared. Because a prime number has 2 factors, itself and 1, so the only way that x can have 3 factors is if it's the square of a prime number. So its factors are 1, that prime number, and x. So we want to know how many positive divisors does x cubed have? And so this is pretty tricky. Basically, we make it into a factor tree. So we need numbers that, when paired together, equal x cubed. So that would be 1 and x cubed. We would have the square root of x, because remember, the square root of x itself is a perfect square of a prime number. So we can do the square root of x. That's going to be an integer factor. And in order to multiply that, the thing we'd have to multiply it times to get x cubed would be x squared times the square root of x. Then we would also have x and x squared. X times x squared would give us x cubed. And then in the middle, we have x times the square root of x. That number, that pair squared, would give us x cubed. And so the number of positive divisors it has, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this one, we only count it once because it's squared. So that's 7 positive divisors of x cubed.